What do you think about fuel prices right now, my man?
They are going up every single day. It seems like every time I turn around. Yeah, 270, 274, 275 going right here, where I'm at. So yeah.
What do you think that's all about? Do you think they're just getting us back, or they finally got the opportunity, or now that the economy's a little bit better?
Yeah, I think that's probably it. I mean, they always tend to go up a little bit in the winter. It seems like fuel prices are always up a little bit in the winter. So I think we're catching winter fuel prices. I think we're catching. They gotta regroup a little bit. I think these refineries and these wells have not been having a good year. I think they're kind of ramping it up to get what they can. They know the demand. They know what we'll pay, and they got the market research on it. So
Yeah.
that's kind of what I think.